Hello guys, welcome to Red 50. Welcome to another video, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing one of the maintenance items that I've been slacking out. We recently got an LMR box that contains some of the mods. You'll be seeing those unboxing installation videos, but this maintenance item I've been kind of slacking on. Ford recommends doing it around 20,000 miles, and I'm currently sitting around 33,000 miles. So that's not good. So I figured I'd give Mustang some love and do some maintenance on it, and this is going to be an unboxing video. I'll do an installation video as well and kind of do a before and after comparison as to how much difference that makes. If you haven't already guessed from the title of the video, we're going to be going ahead and unboxing the cabin air filter. That's something, one of the things people kind of forget about to really change. I've owned a lot of cars. I haven't really religiously changed the cabin air filter, but I know it's one of the important things, especially if you own a newer car and you would just want to make sure you're breathing in the fresh air and everything, because that's something you don't really notice it until it starts smelling, or you're breathing in all the dust and dirt basically. All right, so here is the cabin air filter for the Mustang. I actually got the original equipment for the Motorcraft. You can actually get cheaper ones as well that are not official Ford equipment, but I figured there's not much of a price difference. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. But this is basically the original equipment that Ford uses. It's called the FP78. That's the model number if you're interested in that. But basically this is going to help me breathe a little bit cleaner air. So I'm excited to be installing this as well. So I'm going to do an in-depth installation video. But for first, let's unbox it to see how it really looks like. Also, as I mentioned earlier, Ford recommends doing it 20,000 miles. I'm at 30,000. It's not going to be a huge difference. It's not really related to anything engine air filter or anything like that. But I do recommend, if you're going to be, if you've got a new car especially, just make sure you change it on timely, 30,000 miles give or take. Don't prolong the replacement of the cabin air filter because it's really important. Guys, it's all unboxed, and here is the OEM cabin air filter for your 2019 or 2015 and up Mustangs. Again, the part number is going to be FP78. So I'll be doing an installation video. Obviously it looks very, very clean, but this is not going to be an improvement over your stock filter because essentially it's the same thing. But we're going to be doing an installation video on the Mustang and kind of see how dirty the old cabin filter is, because if Ford recommends 20,000 miles, I have taken it to 30,000 miles. I'm kind of curious to see what the difference will be. If you haven't replaced the cabin air filter before on your Mustang, I'll probably make an installation video as well, so make sure you are subscribed so you can kind of follow how to change the cabin air filter, and of course to see the before and after that I'll be posting as well, so you can really see if you're kind of on the fence whether to spend the money on the cabin air filter or not. You'll see why it's worth it to change the cabin air filter. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and hopefully we'll have the cabin air filter installed. As always, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.